Hi everybody, Dr. Darren Steele, Express Chiropractic, bringing you another express stretching tip. This is a video display terminal stretching session that you can do for the lower extremities, and you can stay in your chair for it, so it's great to do at the office when you can just sneak it in while you're waiting for something to download or waiting to meet with somebody or having a discussion with a coworker. Just bust into these stretches so that you can start undoing the tight muscles that your computer is doing to you all day by sitting in that chair. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the hamstring, and I'll turn to the side just a little bit. Simply sit towards the front edge of your chair. Straighten out the knee or the leg. The knee does not have to be locked. You can keep it bent slightly. If your hamstrings are more flexible, you may choose to straighten it fully. But in this case, we'll bend it slightly. Reach out towards the toe. And if you can't reach the foot, you can grab the ankle and then just give a slight pull with your bicep muscle just to give your hamstring a nice little pull on the back of that thigh. You would then switch to the other leg after you hold that 5 seconds. Again, if you can do it longer, please do, but we say 5 seconds just to keep it as an express stretch. Some is better than none, and most people are doing no stretching. So you would do the other leg 5 seconds, and then you would simply sit back up, cross the leg over. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to push this knee. You can even just lean forward on it, again, while you're having a conversation with a coworker or reading a document. You can just lean forward, push on the knee, and you should feel a pull in the front of your hip. From there, you just simply grab the knee and pull it towards the opposite shoulder, and so now you're stretching the back of the hip. So I'll show you on the other leg. Cross, and you'll notice, just like it is the case with me, even though I do these stretches often, this side is always tighter on me. Maybe past injury, may just be genetically the way I'm put together, but this side is much tighter. So I'm pushing down, and now I'm going, after I hold that 5 seconds, I'm going to pull up and I'm going to hold that 5 seconds. We're now going to switch to a very important chair exercise that you can do for the low back, and that's going to be pelvic tilts. All that you're going to do is tighten your abdominal muscles and try to flatten your low back against your chair. If I rotate to the side, I'll stay a little bit forward so you can see, but what it's going to look like is you're sitting like this most of the day. For most people, you're actually sitting like this most of the day. So what we want to do is we want to flatten the low back against the chair. You can put your hand, your own hand, behind your low back, and whenever you flatten it, you should be able to feel it push against your hand. So when you do that, hold it 5 seconds, and then you can begin to rotate through these exercises again. Go back to the hamstring, 5 seconds on each leg. Go back to the push of the knee, the pull of the knee, 5 seconds on each one. Go to the other leg, and then do a few of your pelvic tilts and hold each one of those 5 seconds. Relax, back up into a good posture, and then again, 5 seconds, and repeat. Just repeat that cycle as often as you can throughout the day. Mix it in with your upper extremity stretches that we show you in the other video. If you have any pain, of course, stop, consult your doctor. Dr. Darren, over and out.